Welcome to the WordPress Emergency Access tutorial. In this video, we will test Emergency Access Link using Ultimate Security. This feature ensures you can regain entry to your site if you're ever locked out due to forgotten login URLs, IP restrictions, or plugin conflicts, or any security-related issue when managing Ultimate Security. From the dashboard, navigate to Settings, then Maintenance and Tools, and click on Advanced Settings. Here you will find the Emergency Access section. This generates a unique, secret URL that acts as a backdoor for administrators. By default, the URL is hidden for security. You can click the eye icon to view your current emergency link. If you think your current link is lost, or you just want to test a new one, click Regenerate URL. Confirm the action. A new, secure link will be generated instantly. Now, simply click the copy icon to save the URL to your clipboard. Make sure to save this link in a safe place. Once you paste your emergency access URL into your browser and hit enter, Ultimate Security automatically triggers a safety deactivation. As you can see here, the plugin has been deactivated successfully. This immediately lifts any login restrictions that were preventing you from accessing your site. This is the perfect fail-safe. It ensures that even if a configuration error locks everyone out, you have a guaranteed way back in. Now simply log back into your WordPress dashboard as usual. You'll notice you have full access again. Let's head over to the plugins section to verify the status of the plugin. You can see that Ultimate Security is now deactivated, and if you use the Pro version, it will also be deactivated. From here, you can fix whatever settings caused the lockout and simply click Activate to get your protection back up and running. Testing your emergency access gives you the peace of mind that you are always in control of your WordPress site's security. And that's it. Your emergency access is ready. Thanks for watching. Download Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security videos.